Stage up, man.
Stage up. Oh, right there. Okay, y'all. Where y'all going, man?
No bets.
Oh,
Motherfucker, you go back in. All right, back. Hey, everything goes. Everything goes. You know, I thought that bullshit. Everything goes. Fuck all that. Hey, red light.
Red light, no race.
Red light, no race. You don't get it.
Okay, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Oh, he already finna, he ready to fuck. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Hey, still on. Come on back. He won't go back enough. Back. Get back. Turn the lights off. You going too goddamn. I'm trying to bet with him. He be moving too fast, man. Don't hit no wall or nothing. Come on. Damn, man. We couldn't get him to do right for nothing, man. I was trying. We trying to teach him. We got Ray Killer in here. Who that? Aaron. Look out, Aaron. Blast on.
This car.
Yeah, man. He gonna man.
He'll fuck him up.
Yeah, he will.
This rolling, man.
Yeah.
He'll fuck him up.
Dang.
He'll fuck him up.
Hey, look out, man. All my people watching on TikTok, man. We live on my YouTube channel. It's 3,500 of y'all over there, man. We trying to get the YouTube channel bumping and jumping. Man, my YouTube channel name is Lookout Racing. Okay, we got somebody from Germany. Yeah, my channel is Lookout Racing. Okay, I got people showing me love from Australia. Look out, y'all. Appreciate it. When y'all come over to my YouTube channel, let me know y'all came from TikTok so I could shout you out on my YouTube channel. Indiana in the house, Brooklyn. Welcome, TikTokers. Like some of them done came over. I ain't seen no new names yet. Anybody come from over from TikTok, y'all let me know. Daniel Watson, look out from TikTok. Mike Dukes. Robert, oh, what's up with it, Robert? Kentucky Blackberry 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, right lane for the win. Damn, Funkertown winning again. Funkertown, you winning again?
Hey, popped him in his ass. He got me.
Doe, we got Doe just came from TikTok. Look out, Doe.
I got paid last weekend. Hey, he'll give me when it's some bullshit. It wasn't no bullshit. No.
LS Power 06, Michael Dye.
That's the only way.
Jeff from TikTok. Yeah.
Y'all gonna take care of that again or what?
Kerry Hickman, what's up, Kerry? Marcus Duman. Marcus came over from TikTok. What's up, Marcus? Hey, let it eat.
Let it eat.
Okay. He be letting something eat. Damn, man, I've been looking for you. Don't turn that bitch on, man. I wonder how much he done kept on. Man, he kept too much. Just kept. Fire that shit up, Lord of the Rings.
What?
Fire that shit up. They say you got that shit.
He got some good shit. What you
Yeah, they say he got that shit.
What you need, that killer?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I got some, at home, I got dried Carolina Reaper peppers.
Oh, you got that Carolina Reaper?
Had been over.
Okay, yeah, nah. Well, yeah, nah. The world's hottest food. Shout out to my people. I got some people in jail watching. Shout out to them. Yeah, man, I got people in jail watching, man.
Nigga said I got people in jail watching.
Yeah, they streaming. Got their shit on the charger. Yeah, free JoJo. JoJo, if you got a phone, man, let the other people in there that got a phone too. Let them know. Share for me in there. Racing the 217 from TikTok. What's up with it? Racing the where's the 217? Left lane for the win. Okay. Where are my people at from TikTok, man? Hey, TikTokers, I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. I'm almost at 25,000 subscribers, right? Ever since I got to 23, it started wanting to go slow. And it's 3,200 of y'all watching. And I'm thinking, if y'all can come over there and help me out, do some subscribing on Lookout Racing on YouTube, that'll sure be helpful. Yeah, I'm trying to grow it up there real big. I'll be putting out content every week, putting out remixes, funny stuff, and I'm just trying to get it out there. I believe that my TikTok, they say TikTok where it's at. I believe y'all can help me out. It's 3,900 of them over there now, y'all. Uh-oh, we got a Chevrolet four-door truck coming down the track. He just bumped over second gear. Let's see what he has now. Is he going to go over the third? Oh, he just shifted third, and now the race is over. He ran about a 989. Track closed at 2 o'clock. We got 4,300 people watching from TikTok, guys. Alrighty, guys, here comes a nitrous blazer coming up, guys. I don't know which one do you want to bet with, but this stuff is going to be real fast. This is one of my buddies with the freaking LS motor. Oh, yeah. He's small for lightweight, dude. Truck doesn't weigh nothing, so does he. He doesn't weigh anything.
We're looking for that
Oh,
caprice.
yeah. Oh, no. You're not going to run my Caprice, buddy.
Why not?
It's too fucking fast. This guy here is freaking flying. Oh, yeah. You can hear it in his freaking gas pedal.